We're at Animal Kingdom. We've made it. Look at this terrifying dude right here. I'm not going to because he's creepy. But like, fair enough. Hey dude, do you? Yeah, he's creepy, not a fan. It's at Ratcliffe, isn't it? Yeah. Barely even human. Yay! Thank you. I didn't realise I'm stupidly zoomed in and I didn't get any of that. Nah. Barely even human. Anglais. Haha.
You have to go straight to Everest.
Yeah. Why do we need more?
Yeah, but that's what I know.
Yeah, Mum. You do you. Okay.
Over.
Asia.
There.
Let's go. Oh, right in the back.
There it is.
There he is, sleeping in the back. Oinkity oink oink. Good for him. I'd be asleep now if I could be too. Oh, I see a caca. Caca. Look at them. On our way into Asia. 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 Smells like popcorn. Whoa, look at these pterodactyl type birds.
Pterodactyl bird.
Yo, bruh. Sup?
What's up, bruh?
Everest! I saw it first.
It's a nice breeze going on.
Oh, it's so good. Ooh, bottles of Coke.
There's a bird show going on.
It's not a good smell, but I'm smelling. Apparently the Yak and Yeti restaurant's really nice. It's got conditioned air.
Fine food and drinks. Everything I expect from a restaurant. Food, drink, and air.
Yeah, not just food though, conditioned food obviously. It looks so cool in Asia. Well, see, I'm not in Asia. Clarification right there. It's actually just Disney. Look at the monkey house.
No monkeys.
No, the monkeys are gone apparently. Oh, I see monkeys.
Where?
I'll take you to the monkeys. Look, there's monkeys and there's ducks coming up. Here come the ducks and there's the monkeys. Let's go to Everest, yo. You ready?
No, I don't think we're allowed to walk around.
I don't think we are either. Let's go ride Mount Everest. Na. Everything smells great. I want to eat in Pandora later because they do that like build your own bowl thing. And it looks really good.
If we go at night time,
It'll be all but weird, yeah.
by the time we finish here, our next one's at like what? 4 something?
3:35.
3:35?
Yeah.
I think it was at 5.
No. I don't know. I've successfully got every time. Look at the teeny tiny Yeti toys. I'm getting a teeny tiny Yeti plush. Getting one of them after. 100%. Oh, that food smells incredible. I need to get past these guys. Just literally eat the burger in line for food. I like that. She's my kind of woman. I don't even almost know. Where's the fast pass entrance? Look how cool he looks. Gonna find me a wild Yeti. It lives up on the mountain.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety,
I 100% forgot how steep that drink was.
Yes, that's funny.
I was having to hold on to my ears as well. I'll insert the picture now. It was so bad. They did seem like a fun train. Look at the River of Lights thing. Look how pretty it looks.
I can't wait for that.
It is going to be quite good. I might just stand here and watch it. I don't know.
Maybe this, we'd have to get home really early.
Probably, yeah.
I'd prefer to stand.
Yeah, same. We're just looking at it. My belly feels so strange. Thirsty and I'm really hot, so...
Well, you need to find somewhere, sit down.
Yak and Yeti is this way. I don't know what prices it is for it, but there's air-conditioned fine foods and drinks, so... It was either right there or it was past the monkey. There might have been past the monkeys. I didn't, but it must have been. We are eating kind of Linner in the Yak and Yeti.
Just doing
Filling in the...
We can't fill it half here.
This is Mum's cup of tea. She's so British, but look at the weird kettle it comes in.
Teapot.
Teapot, kettle. Does it taste good? That's still too hot for me to
It's not
touch.
holding near the top.
Does it just taste like tea?
But very weak.
Ah yes, weak tea. And I've got a Diet Coke, Holly has a normal Coke, Dad's got a coffee, and we've got stupid paper straws. I'm sorry I started eating before I filmed. Chicken fried rice. Pork pot stickers. More chicken fried rice. Wontons. Pork egg rolls. Everything's really nice. Well, I haven't tried Mum's wonton, but it looks great. Going to the river.
Going to the river.
Okay, Yak and Yeti was great.
It's really tasty.
I rate it. We only had we had sides of chicken fried rice.
It was really
good. The $6.99?
Yeah.
Bargain.
Bargain.
And the picture of this. I'm just gonna take all these really cliche tourist photos. Doing that tourist life, yo. I don't know where we have to go. Oh, that way. To the Maharajah. Yeah. Cali River Rapids, Cali River Rapids. Cali River Rapids.
These are saying.
That's quite cute. Cut across the crowd here.
This thing?
Yeah.
I like.
Oh, it's hot.
I like this.
Feel how warm it is.
I like this one. It's got like a net.
That's cute. This is cute too.
That is cute.
Not that bad. 47. Can you see the monkeys? Wow, legitimate lizard.
I don't want to tread on any lizards, but I cannot see them.
Are you shopping?
I like
These are cute.
They don't have to be my size. They're all either small or extra small.
Oh. Oh, that's cute. This is cute. It's a play suit. It's only $34. That's not what I wanted you to look at though. Goodness. Look at these baby ones.
Feng Shui box.
For only $12.99.
Dragon will bite their victim, which will release off a toxic poison, which will alert other Komodo dragons to said prey, and then they all come and attack and eat the prey. Komodo dragon fact for everybody there.
Lizard fact, 2K17. Let's go find some tigers because they ain't got no lizards.
Dragons?
Yeah, I only came in here to find some dragons.
The tigers are just as cool.
Yeah, I suppose.
They are. You were sad when I told you I saw tigers in the
That's very true, I was sad. What's in here? Is this the tigers in here? Why have I got this map? I don't need it. Is this monkeys? Monkeys! I want to see some monkeys. Where?
I saw its butt.
Oh, there he is! There he is! Oh, there's another one!
You might come towards us.
Wow!
These are your monkeys.
I enjoy a good monkey. You can have my map as well, I don't need it.
I like seeing gorillas myself.
Okay.
Gorillas are my favourite.
There's a gorilla here though, right?
Hey?
Yeah. I was going to say, I could have sworn I saw a gorilla here last time. We're going into the bat cave. No, because Steph was here and Steph wasn't in France. Oh, I wonder if you can see monkeys better from here. There he is. I'm currently watching a monkey eat some lettuce. Kind of footage I live for. Oh, I'm sweating. No, it's bats. It's because these bats. Oh, they don't fly around our head. Boring. Ooh, lizards. There's a blue lizard.
Oh. What? There's a glass there. Look, there it is.
Where?
The big black thing over the tree.
Oh yeah! Oh, the big bat over there. Whoa! What a fat bat! Look at these bats. What's in here? A shink. He looks evil. He looks evil. Not Tigger, Mum, don't be silly. Some cats. Some big meow meows. Oh no, there's a viewing platform. Whoa, what a platform.
Wow, I can't see it.
Oh, yeah, over there. In the back corner, by the bush. There's a tiger stripe. Tiger forest. Although tigers are present in the forest, you will be very safe by walking on the well-travelled paths. I'm buzzing to see this big meow meow. There he is. Whoa. Wow. There he is. He's a beaut. Not sure if it's a gazelle or a bunny. But there's some pterodactyls, I'm chill with it. Oh no, there it is, up on the hill. Look, weird ducks. Weird ducks and like a gazelle up in there. Up over there. Oh, there's a few of them. Look at this herd of Disney ducks. They're definitely not ducks, though, are they? Oh wow, okay. Oh no. Come on, mate, come on.
Here's what happened. I'll put my mouth right around it.
Waiting for my parents right now. Holly's gone, we're going, bye. Look at all the gazelles. Hey yo, home skillets walking around seeing some deer.
Not there's any deer, the
Gazelle.
We saw a tiger.
What did we see, Holly?
We saw some Batmen.
Some Batmen, yes.
Batmen.
Jungle Trek continues this way through the red pavilion. But why isn't it in there? Here's also another question. How does it get in there in the first place? Holly? There's no sign that says not. Ooh. Mystery room. Ooh, birdies. I like me a birdie.
Yeah, about 200.
Oh, Christ, okay. Ducks. Disney ducks. My favourite kind of duck. Look how close he is to me. Oh, bye-bye. He's pissed that he's not allowed in a special birdhouse.
Everyday bird.
He's like, yo guys, let me in the cool house.
I like the aviary at Discovery Cove. They give you like little pots of food and you feed them birds.
What'd you say?
What time's that safari?
6:30.
6:30, the time now is 5:25. So,
The safari's nearish to here, I believe. It's in Africa.
you had to go on that train.
No. The train takes you to Rafiki's planet. Rafiki's something island. Yeah. We go to Dinosaur Land.
Following you.
Dino Land! I swear they don't listen to me ever.
We're going to Primeval World.
Primeval World.
Ride, and it's about a 10-minute wait.
Hopefully. Might have to buy a drink.
Like, over there. Or that's from that sweet, sweet cinnamon.
Oh, that cinnamon smell.
Right, this way is down. This one.
It's a mixture of cinnamon and poop. I need a drink, Dana. I need a drink, Dana. I need a drink, Dana. I need a drink, Dana.